Hey, welcome to our channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are fine. If you like our videos, then share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Huawei Watch GT 4 will be available on September 14th in two colors, black cast and polished steel, with options for removable leather, caramel brown, and plastic, black, straps. The watch will be available in two sizes, 41mm and 46mm, priced at €300 and €400, respectively, and may come with additional options such as 10W and 18W wireless charging and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. Huawei Watch GT 4 is expected to feature powerful fitness tracking features and 2-week battery life, making it attractive for both fashion and fitness enthusiasts. Even if it is banned in some countries, it's a target. There are a lot of great smartwatch options on the market, so you can choose one when shopping. Whether you want a specific color or a specific operating system, there's something for everyone. If you live in a country where Huawei products are available, you can also choose from the company's lineup of smartwatches. The Huawei Watch GT 4 is set to launch on September 14th, and new renders suggest it will be available in two colors. A leaked image of the presumed official model shows the Huawei Watch GT 4 in black gunmetal and polished steel, via MySmartPrice. He also has two variations of the bracelet, one made of plastic and the other made of leather. The leather version is caramel brown, the plastic or rubber version is black. If replaced, both options are assumed to be removable as well. As for size, previous information from leakers suggests that the watch will likely come in 41mm and 46mm strap options. If you can buy this watch in your area, expect the price to be around €300 or €400 initially. Another leak suggested that a version of the Huawei Watch GT 4 would be launched with a metal strap, and this would affect the price of the watch. The GT 4 is expected to come with 10W and 18W wireless charging options as well as Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. These may be of value to smartwatch buyers looking for options with the latest technology. Additionally, the leak claims that if the Huawei Watch GT 4's battery life lasts 2 weeks, you'll have one less thing to worry about. Whether fitness or fashion is your priority, Huawei has your back. The 46mm version is expected to be available for unisex use, while the larger bezel is in line with current watch trends. However, the leaker claims that the 41mm replacement is designed to be more fashionable. In general, the Huawei Watch GT 4 is expected to come with a lot of tracking features for those who want to track their fitness goals. However, few details have leaked about what exactly these features will be. Huawei is specifically banned in several countries around the world due to privacy and security concerns. But that hasn't stopped the company from continuing to make smart wearables that consumers can buy, especially in China and Europe. At least the Huawei Watch GT 4 gives us an insight into the company's further development after the dispute with the US government.